And welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to go over what it's like to be invested in Wonderland Time for 27 days. My first position I bought back in October 29th, and this is the 27th day of being invested. So I've had some nice ups and downs. Overall, great positive news. Things are working out. Things are looking great. And I made some moves today. I actually locked in some profits. So you want to make sure you stick around. I have a nice update for those who are following my positions. I'm also going to go over my new Dow calculator. I added some new functions now that I began selling. So you don't want to miss this video. The Dow calculator is free. If you join my Discord, links under the description. You can download my calculator under the channel Dow Calculator. So I'm going to go over a lot of things here. My thought process. I started to make some moves here in my investments, and it's been a few days, and after 27 days I actually finally sold one of them. I sold a portion of it. So we're gonna go over my strategy and kind of what I'm doing, and let's get right into it. Before we look into my position, let's look at some charts and see what Wonderland Time is doing today. Right now, Wonderland Time is trading at 8,390. It's been holding up pretty nicely here above 7,500. So it's kind of consolidating here, going sideways. It runs up, it wants to go to 10,000, and then it comes back down to around 7,500. It runs up, and actually this sideways for collecting APY is great. So pretty good performing a Dow project here. I've been extremely pleased with it, and that's pretty much how it's been functioning. So I did invest here. I bought somewhere down here. October 29th, it was around somewhere between 6,500 and 7,000, and I've seen some nice ups and downs. I did not sell here, but I was obviously making more money here since I collected more APY, and I've been very pleased. This has definitely been a nice winner in this series here, and this is one of the first Dow projects I invested in. This is why I made this channel. So far, positive reviews as of now. If this is the first time you're seeing this, just buy in with caution. Don't put in a full position, and just be careful out there. These are all new projects, and there's no telling where this might go. So let's just take a look at the market cap here. The market cap is $469 million here for the market cap, and the fully diluted market cap is about 1.5 billion. So this is $465 million right now in the liquidity for Wonderland Time. So I misread this in my previous video when I was going over Metaverse Pro, and so yes, these are the actual numbers, and Metaverse Pro is actually a lot lower from what I said in my previous video. I will do an update on Metaverse Pro. Make sure to subscribe and stay tuned for that. Let's take a look at the app. So as of now, they're still paying sweet 81,000% APY. If you look down here, you have a return on your investment, 5-day rate of 9.6. This has been steadily paying out above 9% since I started. Very nice there out of Time Wonderland. You have some nice minting rewards here. And today I unstaked. Now I only have 0.059 memo. I had somewhere around 0.22, somewhere around that range. So today I unstaked and I locked in some profits, and I'm very pleased with the overall results. One thing I want to go over is that I was having a hard time to unstake, and so I was going through a lot of different troubleshooting steps, and I continue to get people messaging me and commenting me, how do they unstake their position? And it's fairly easy. You go to unstake, it shows you how much time you have here, and you can put max, or you can put whatever denomination you would like to unstake. You have to make sure you connect your wallet, so on and so forth. So it's very simple, and it's the same way you stake, you unstake. But I have a lot of different wallets, and I was getting conflicts with my browser. At one point, I got this error here: max fee per gas less than block-based fee address. So it was a gas fee problem, but I had plenty of gas to cover these transactions. AVAX charges a few cents for these transactions, and I had plenty of AVAX for that transaction. And I had this problem before, I just didn't think it'd happen again. So the answer to the problem is I'm using Google Chrome, and what you need to do is you need to clear out your history and your cached files. So the way you do that through Google Chrome is you go up here to the three dots, you click here, you go to more tools, and you go to clear browsing data. This window's gonna pop up. You have to clear your browsing history, your cookies and other site data, and cache images and files. You clear the data, that's gonna reset the browser, and you shouldn't have any problem. So that was a fix. Anytime you have problems with your DAO projects and you want to unstake and you get errors and you can't unstake, that is the workaround. You have to clear your history and your cache files. I have multiple wallets and it gives me problems sometimes. So that's kind of the downfall. So those were some of the comments that I was receiving, and I experienced it myself. So that's how you unstake and you work around those problems. So let's get to the nitty gritty. Let's see what happened today and what I'm doing. So I updated my DAO calculator and I added some new functions since I sold. And so it's getting a little out there now. I'm not the best at I'm not an Excel guru, or I'm not some sort of coder or anything like this. So I'm just doing this to the best of my abilities, and it helps you guys, and you would like to get a copy of it, it's links under the description. It will be on my Discord. So let's take a look at the calculator here and see how it works now. As of now, I have 0 of my own money invested because I did sell a position here, and I'll show you guys what I sold. So now I have no risk and upside here for infinity. So I'm not going to remove this position. This is a test, and I'm just going to let it ride. So right now I have 0.059902 coins. So that's the amount I actually have now that I withdrew some gains. The market price of Time right now is around 8,300. The value of my position is $502. That's how much my position is worth right now. And I closed for a profit of $375 today. So this section is added in my DAO calculator now. That's for a gain of $877 on my investment. And now, if you look at the percentage here, it just says profit, because you would get an error if I didn't put this profit here, because if you subtract this number from this number, you're gonna get an error. So now, since my investment is free, it's just on the percentage gain, it's gonna just say profit, because this is all profit. So let's scroll to the right here and see what I'm doing. So this was my investments, the positions that I bought here in October 29th and 30th, and I bought $500 this day, $500 this day, and these were the tokens I accumulated. So now if we go down here, I added this section where it's closed positions, sold. So here is bought, this is sold. So today I sold 0.164 coins at a price of 8,386. That's a total of 1,375, and that gave me a profit of 375. So my original investment was 500 here, 500 here, that's 1,000. I locked in today 1,375 for a profit of 375. Now I added this section here that says 0 today on my investment spot, because this gets generated over here, coins bought. And I still wanted to calculate how much APY I'm collecting here. So this is why I just added this dummy filler here, just to generate information, so I can see how much I'm going to collect now going forward on my free position. Maybe in the future I'll add to this position, but as of now, I have no plans to adding to this position. I think I'm just going to walk away and just see what it does. I'm going to let this ride for a few months, years, and just to see what it does. I'm curious. These are all new realms that we've never seen before. So these are some of the new functions. Also, if you look here, percentage gain total, it just says profit now, because it can calculate a percentage gain total since it's all profit. So this position is free. Coins earned APY. It's going to start generating here as the days go on. So as of now, I'm up $877.53. So That's all profit there. Feeling great about this position here. And now, if you go to the right, I put the information of the chart here. Today, invested. Now, this was reduced to 0. So now I'm $0 of my personal money invested. This is a price that is currently trading right now, and this is a market value of my portfolio. So we take a look at the chart. We're seeing Time Wonderland here, price action, going up and down. We see in blue my investment. I added to Time Wonderland here 500, flatline at 1,000, and today I pulled my initial investment. I pulled my risk. So now I'm risk free. And now the yellow is the market value of my portfolio, or of this position. So it obviously went down because I pulled away. So this is only going to go up from now on based on the APY, and hopefully Wonderland sustains a nice price range. So super ecstatic. I didn't sell at the peak. A few days ago, I made a video where I was up 100%, and that would have been better. I would have been able to cash out more of my position. I would have been able to cash out more profits. But, you know, it's tough. It's tough to be a perfect investor and making these decisions. I could have continued to hold on into this position, but I wanted to use that money into other positions. There's going to be more videos coming up of where I'm recycling this money to. So I'm pretty excited on this new investment that I'm doing. And another thing I want to talk about is the Dow calculator. I did some updates today. And if you go to the Discord and you download the Dow calculator, this one it's very similar to my new update. The bottom is the original Dow calculator that I made a few days ago, that I made about a month ago. This is the updated calculator that has more information. And in addition to the calculator that I'm using for YouTube purposes, I added this extra section for fees. So you can add here dollar amount fees where you can tally them up, and then you can put it here, and then it's gonna tell you your total gains here at the bottom. It's gonna tally it up. This formula has those fees into it. I'm not really following the fees, but some people want to follow the fees. They're more than welcome to. And so I added that section for you guys if you guys want to add some of your fees when you do some of these transactions. So that's how you do that. So that's going to do it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. A great day for me. I'm happy. I'm risk off. I'm happy with my position. I'm up $800 here, and sky's the limit. And I'm just going to let it ride. And don't plan on adding on to this one. If the APY is going to work out, well, we're going to put it to the test. I don't need to put any more money. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please support my channel. Links under the description. Patreon is down there if you find my content of any value or helped you in any way. And also Discord links down below. Thank you very guys, and I'll catch you on the next one.